Hello everyone and welcome back. Thanks for tuning into this video. And in this video lesson, you will learn how to prepare a script for speech. Preparing a script for speech is one of the important communication skills. Well, what is a speech? A speech is a means of expressing one's ideas on a certain topic orally or verbally. Speeches are made to highlight progress, environment, industry, friendships, cultural activities, sports, etc. By and large, one should see that the speech is interesting enough to arrest the attention of the audience. Therefore, care should be taken to see that speeches are lively and the audience interactive. So let's move to understand the types of speeches. Well, the speeches that are commonly used in our daily life. The first one is narrative speech. Narrative speech tells the story of a real life experience. The second one is descriptive speech. It creates a vivid picture like a movie or a picture to describe the topic. The third one is expository. Expository speech explains a topic in a logical and informative manner and presents the subject in a balanced way. The next one is argumentative speech. Well, it applies facts and evidence to support the argument or the claim it makes. So let's move to understand the format of a speech. In the format of a speech, the first one is salutation. In this part, we have to honor all those present in the meeting. For example, Honorable Chief Guest, respected principal, lecturers, parents, and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. The second part is introduction. In this part, the topic to be spoken on. For example, I am very pleased to say, it gives me great honor to speak on. It gives me privilege to speak on. Something topic. Then the third part is body. It is important part and it contains the main points. The fourth one is conclusion. A brief summary and acknowledgements to be added in this part and your speech will be completed. Well, a speech should have 4 parts as you know. Salutation, introduction, important one, body, conclusion. Alright, now let's move to understand the essentials of a good speech. Prepare the speech to complete it in a reasonable time. Keep all relevant facts and figures updated and ready to quote. Sentences should be short and to the point, but grammatically correct. Keep quotations, witty sayings and proverbs handy to make the speech interesting. If possible, give experience from real life. Now let's move to understand some opening sentences in a speech. I am very happy to be associated with all of you on this occasion. All of you are familiar with the topic I stand before you to speak on. I welcome you all on occasion of. It is one of the most exciting days of my life. Let us begin our meeting with a success story. Now let's move to understand some closing sentences in a speech. Finally, I conclude my speech I extend my heartfelt thanks to the members on the stage for giving me this opportunity to share my feelings with you all. Now it is the time to act, to raise your voice. It has been a pleasure being with all of you today. Thank you. Thank you all for your patience. Goodbye. Now let's move to understand how to prepare a script for speech. Let's see one example. The role of youth in the nation's development. It's a good topic. Opening up the speech. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, lecturers, and my dear friends, I am very happy to be associated with all of you on this occasion. It gives me great honor to speak on the role of the youth in the nation's development. Body of the speech. It contains important points, main part of the speech, then by conclusion. In conclusion, it can be said that if the youth power is tapped optimally and wisely, the national development is just a clinch. It has been a pleasure being with all of you today. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity. Well, I have brought some important speech topics. You have to do exercise. Merits and demerits of mobile phones. Education and medicine should be free. Wonders of science. The India of my dreams. Education is only a means to an end. Effects of science on modern society. Threats to human rights. Impact of COVID-19 on world economy. Digital India and development go hand in hand. Degradation of human values. Criminalization of politics. Welcome speech for Freshers Party. Corruption-free India. Well, that's all in the video. I would rather suggest and request all of you to practice more and more examples, because if you see, writing skill is just a combination of two things. You know the format well, then you practice as many as examples as you can. Practice, practice, practice. So, I hope all of you enjoyed learning these speech writing skills with me. That's all about the topic, guys. I hope you are through and clear with speech writing now. So the next time you'll write a speech, you'll give your best performance, and of course you'll score the best marks possible. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice time. Bye bye.